let me roll out the recipe.
Okay.
Let me roll out the recipe, and I'll see Melly from making a Trini accent that'll make me laugh. So Melly, I'm doing a nice healthy dish again. We're in healthy mode on the show these days, and this one brought to you by the folks at Regal Products, and we're doing Regal Quinoa today. I love Regal Quinoa. Quinoa is something that you can really just use to replace rice, pasta, that kind of thing. Very, very simple. You don't boil it to pieces. A cup of quinoa, you kind of just cover the quinoa with water and allow it to simmer.
It absorbs
Just
the
absorbs
water.
the water. Add a little more water if necessary, but once you see it start splitting like that and opening up, those little tails come up, you know it's good and it's done. So we're using Regal Quinoa, and I swear by Regal Quinoa. Not all quinoa, sometimes some react differently in terms of how you cook it, but I swear by Regal Quinoa. And I am stuffing today. We are stuffing things today.
Stuffing.
We are stuffing things, and we're using quinoa. We're doing a quinoa stuffed pepper. This is one whole dish: vegetables, quinoa, meat. We have some chicken, all in one. Let's get cracking. Let me show you how easy this is to do. So I have some. You get some nice bell peppers. And we're stuffing these bell peppers. I just want to de-seed and devein the peppers. So it's really just to get the seeds out. You know, just get all those little veiny stuff out of there. I quickly want to just use a little bit of oil in my hand.
Right.
Just to oil.
For when it's baking.
For when it goes in the oven. So you see I like color. You eat with your eyes, so green and red.
Yeah.
Nice color happening there. Right. Now I have my quinoa. All I'm doing is taking all these wonderful ingredients before me and mixing this in with this quinoa to create the stuffing. So I'm going to start with some black beans. So let me get a spoon, and I just really want to add these black beans. This could be straight out of the can. I don't like hard mats sometimes, so when I could use stuff out of the can ready made, this nice color as well. Corn. I have some freshly cut tomatoes.
I'm loving the colors.
Yeah, love the colors. So I can start to mix here now. I've learned while I'm cooking, Melly, to season in layers. You try to remember. So you add a layer of ingredients, a little salt, a little pepper. I always like to use a spice of choice. And I'm kind of going, this is a kind of Mexican kind of flavor. So this is like jeera, cumin. Ooh. So I'm using just a little touch of that.
Okay.
Spice it up a little. And I have some shadow benny. Once you're in Trinidad, you gotta have some shadow benny.
Hello.
You put some shadow benny in there, mix it up again, get it mixed in. And now I have some salsa. This is out of the bottle. Simple salsa. This is simple ingredients that you could have in your pantry, very easily accessible in the supermarket.
Right.
This is feta cheese. So this feta cheese, you know feta cheese.
I do.
It's that Mediterranean type, very nice, salty. It's beautiful. I love it.
Add great flavor.
Yeah, and I just want to add all of that in there.
That looks good.
This is simple rotisserie chicken that I just pulled off of the bone and chopped up.
Okay.
So you have chicken left over for some reason. This is just perfect to just add in there.
In there, right?
And just, you have protein going in there with your quinoa. You mix. Just for that little loveliness, I'm going to add some. I have some cheddar cheese. Just to give it that little the little food dance he was doing over here. That's Melly's food dance. That's Melly's food dance. And you mix in everything there. I have one thing that I want to add, Melly, and that's some fresh garlic. I love garlic.
I love garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger is a win. So I have some fresh garlic that I want to add in there. Are you giving trouble? And you just squeeze him there. I have a garlic press. I don't really chop garlic. You need to get one of these.
Yeah,
everybody comes on the show.
Everything.
Yeah, everybody comes on the show once. So I'm going to start making them.
You should.
Manufacturing them and selling them. Yeah.
That makes so much sense. Okay, that makes so much sense.
You mix in everything. Everything just gets mixed in there. So this is your stuffing. And all I'm doing now is taking my peppers.
And now stuffing them.
And I'm stuffing these bad boys.
Ooh.
So you get a little bit of chicken, all the peas and the beans you have there. The cheese will kind of just melt in there. And you just pile it
pull
up
it together.
And you stuff it there.
Oh, now I have to make this too.
This is healthy, right up your alley.
Yes.
Yes. And that final little touch that I just want to do, just before it goes in the oven.
Let's bring
A little more cheese. Just a little more cheese on top there.
as you bake.
Yeah, just a little more cheese. How does that look?
That looks good.
In the
It looks
oven,
great,
30,
chef.
35 minutes kind of thing. And we are ready. We have some done here that I want to serve you up now.
That looks so good.
So good. So good. And it smells fantastic. I love roasting vegetables.
Really?
So roasting vegetables also kind of just takes vegetables to a whole new level. Mary Rose, you came on Cup of Joe and you can't say I didn't feed you healthy food. Healthy food. So please taste up.
Let me do my dance before I
do the food dance.
Where do I start? Okay. This is good.
Guys, Mary Rose, it's such a pleasure having her here. When we come back, we continue chatting. We share a cup with Melly Rose. Guys, come on back.
Roll out a recipe with Regal products.